Welcome back to Power Apps Basics. In this video, we'll explore how to use buttons to trigger actions, especially how to navigate between screens. Let's start by adding a button control to the canvas. You'll find it under the Input section. Once added, you can move it around and resize it however you like. You can configure the onSelect property of a button control to run one or more formulas when a user clicks or taps the control. Since we're just getting started, let's use a basic formula like Navigate, which allows us to switch between different screens. I'll change the button text to say, go to next screen, drag the button a little bit so the text can fit. I'll also add a label control here, and then change its text to screen 1. Now let's add another screen, so we have somewhere to navigate. Here's our second screen. Let's leave its name Screen 2 to keep things clear. We will also put a label that says Screen 2. Now, back to our button. Let's make it do something. Select the button and go to the formula bar at the top. Type in this formula. Navigate Screen 2. This tells Power Apps to switch to Screen 2. Hit the play button in the top right to preview the app. Boom, it works. One click and we're on Screen 2. Now, let's say we also want to add a button on Screen 2 to return to the previous screen. We'll place another button, set its text to Go Back, and in its onSelect property, enter Back. This allows us to switch back and forth between the two screens. Hit the play button, and just like that, the two screens switch seamlessly using buttons. For Navigate, you can also choose different transitions like Fade, Cover, or Uncover depending on the effect you want. As an example, let's experiment with the Cover Screen Transition effect. There's your screen transition in action. Looks way cooler, doesn't it? That's it. You've just learned how to make your Power App interactive with buttons and screen navigation. Hit subscribe and stick around. Next up, we'll explore drop-downs and combo boxes.